Hamid Muzukuru Dana, his brother Majid, George Rollo, Carlos Marx and Charlie Jones, to mention just but a few, are some of the names that come to mind when one talks of Danny Bismarck Stadium. In basketball, Kimon and Gary Raftopoulos, Tony Greenwood, Edgar Rogers, Felix Calloway and Admire Masenda made sure that the Arcadia Courts was the place to be every weekend, but gone are the days and so is the facility. What is left now is just a bush in a Jurao and a potted court. Founder of Dalix Logistics, Alex Diomeda, a daughter of Arcadia, is hoping to change the narrative.
My grandmother in the, I think, early 1970s, she was able to build these courts that we see here today. My goal is to revive and restore her legacy and to bring the courts back to their former glory and be able to bring the community back here and reunite the community in the place where it all started.
She also challenged the community elders to stop fighting and focus on growth.
There's a lot of internal politics within the club itself and within the community, but the key is to rise above the politics and just get the job done.
The resurrected Arcadia United currently train at the facility. However, investigations carried out by this news crew revealed that some of the Arcadia United legends are pulling in a different direction as they are more worried about custody of a defunct facility than community growth and the rise of more legends. Lawrence Trusida, ZBC News, Harare.